Introducing the EnGenius EnStation6, a point-to-point Wi-Fi 6 outdoor AX1200 5 GHz bridge. Designed for high-speed, long-range outdoor point-to-point connectivity. Unlock Wi-Fi 6 performance with speeds up to 1,200 megabits per second on 5 GHz, enabling 4K video streaming on more than 10 devices, or 1080p video feeds on over 100 cameras. Beyond just speed, the EnStation6 excels in range and stability. It optimizes your Wi-Fi coverage with a robust transmit power, a 19 dBi antenna for up to 5-mile point-to-point connections, and beamforming technology for unwavering signal stability. Engineered for durability, the EnStation6 is IP55 rated, making it resilient against challenging outdoor environments and conditions. Armed with these features, it is ideal for diverse applications. Whether it's point-to-point surveillance with seamless video streaming, connecting a remote barn for livestock or machinery monitoring, wirelessly extending the network in the house to any remote locations, or providing comprehensive Wi-Fi coverage in RV parks, this device ensures reliable, high-speed connectivity. Emphasizing user convenience and seamless setup, the EnStation6 streamlines power setups with PoE support and even includes a PoE adapter, ensuring effortless remote device resets whenever needed. Additionally, with the EnWi-Fi mobile app, setting up your outdoor Wi-Fi network is straightforward. The app guides you through device configuration and network monitoring, simplifying the entire process. The EnStation6, your solution for high-speed, long-range, and durable outdoor wireless connectivity.